Hello and welcome to another edition of Nordens TV. Today I've invited in Darvish from MarketInvoice. We're going to discuss invoice trading, invoice finance and invoice discounting. This could hopefully allow you to release capital from your current invoices. So Darvish, thank you for coming in. Welcome to Nordens TV.
Thank you.
So tell me, what is online invoice trading?
Okay, online invoice trading is a finance solution that allows businesses to unlock the working capital tied up in their invoices and contractual debt on a selective basis. You may have heard of invoice discounting and factoring. We've evolved from those solutions. We use a peer-to-peer model to connect businesses that require working capital with investors to enable them to sell their outstanding invoices in a much more flexible fashion. So if you sell goods or services to businesses and get paid on terms, then invoice trading is well suited to your business. It is a quick and simple way of funding your working capital needs. It's a good alternative to an overdraft, a business loan, and traditional invoice finance.
So how does it differ to traditional invoice finance?
A traditional factoring or invoice discounting provider would require you to give up your whole ledger, charge ongoing monthly service fees, and impose contractual lock-ins with long notice periods. MarketInvoice is different because we're flexible, there's no contract or minimum use. You can obtain funding against a single or bundles of invoices. Think of it as an overdraft backed by invoices. It's fast, so sign up and approval can take less than 24 hours and funding is usually obtained within 24 hours. The service is very transparent. You see the exact cost of each drawdown up front. There are no hidden fees. Pricing is bespoke and based on the strength of the borrower and the credit quality of the underlying debtor. What's more, we don't impose concentration limits. So unlike traditional invoice finance, debtor concentration isn't a problem. Our funding is spread across a range of investors, meaning we can fund exclusively against a single debtor if that's what you want.
So in simple terms, how does MarketInvoice work?
Well, we're the market leader in providing this funding solution, and that's because of the technology, team, process, and how easy we are to work with. It only takes 15 minutes to apply online, and all you need to get started is your company's financial information and latest bank statements. You upload your invoices, and you can upload one invoice or multiple invoices, and then essentially you sell them on our platform. Once the invoices are uploaded and you've submitted a trade, you can get funded in 24 hours. So once the invoices are verified, we can deliver you funding within 24 hours.
So you must have to assess businesses if they want to use MarketInvoice. Do they have to go through a credit check or anything? How do you assess their business? We
do have to run anti-fraud and credit checks on your business before we accept you onto the MarketInvoice platform. It's a pretty quick and painless process. We'll be there to guide you all the way. We won't contact any third parties during these checks, so your application to MarketInvoice will not affect your credit rating in any way.
So for everybody watching this video, what do you need to get started with MarketInvoice?
Our application is all online and, as mentioned, only takes about 15 minutes to complete. We have a great team who can also walk you through the application over the phone. If you have customers and clients that are paying you on terms, whether that be 30, 60 or even 90 days, why not see if you can release working capital from those outstanding invoices?
Darvish, that's fantastic. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you, Mitch.
So if you have invoices on payment terms, 30 days, 60 days, or even 90 days, why don't you get in touch to see if we can help you raise capital? In simple terms, the number's coming up on the screen.